So today we're talking about parallel structure, which is when the same pattern of words is used to list multiple items in a series. So I wanted to illustrate this just with a really simple kind of list, which is a grocery list. And you'll notice here this list starts out in using parallel structure, which means that every item in the list follows the same pattern or is the same kind of term. So my list is remember to buy lettuce, tomatoes, grapes. That all makes sense. But then I get to don't forget cucumbers. And that doesn't follow the same pattern, right? I've just been listing these simple noun terms for food, and now all of a sudden I get this don't forget. So I do not want that. So now I have remember to buy lettuce, tomatoes, grapes, cucumbers, milk, butter. Eggs are really important? No, right? I just want to buy eggs. So right now I have this list that's in parallel structure because all of my items follow the same pattern. There are all kinds of different lists in writing, though. It's not just grocery lists. So this is a screenshot from a website showing the global goals for sustainable development. And these goals are all listed in parallel structure, and they're listed using noun phrases. So if you look at all of these goals, they're all noun phrases, and they all sound parallel. They follow the same pattern if you read them. So this would go, the global goals for sustainable development include no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, etc. Right? Those all sound really good together because they all follow the same pattern. I adapted the global goals to show you some different patterns of parallel structure. And so this one is using gerunds, which are just ing words that are used as nouns. That term isn't as important, but you should be able to see that these are all still following the same pattern, so they're parallel. World leaders share the goals of eliminating poverty, ending hunger, promoting good health and well-being, guaranteeing access to quality education, mandating gender equality. Again, all follow the same pattern, so this works. Another form of parallel structure is using infinitive phrases, which is just the word to plus a verb. So I have the global goals for sustainable development aim to eliminate poverty, to end hunger, to promote good health and well-being, to guarantee access to quality education, and to mandate gender equality, right? Another pattern, still parallel structure. The last one I want to show you is parallel structure with independent clauses. So independent clauses are complete thoughts. They could be their own sentences, although here I have them all attached with semicolons as part of the same sentence. So this one reads, if realized, the global goals for sustainable development will eliminate poverty, they will end hunger, they will promote good health and well-being, they will guarantee access to quality education, and they will mandate gender equality. One thing that I think is noticeable on this slide is that parallel structure is something that you have to do to be grammatically correct. So it is a rule, but it's also something that you can use intentionally to affect your readers. So if you look at this repetition here of they will, they will, they will, they will, that's a really powerful pattern. So what that emphasizes is that these goals are going to accomplish a lot, right? That parallel structure of each item of the list getting added on and adding on and adding on, I think really, really highlights the number of items in the list, the number of goals that can be accomplished. So thinking about using parallel structure intentionally in your writing can really strengthen your message when you use it well. All right, that's all. Thanks for listening.